Welcome back to the another video. Today I will show you the method that you can access Claude Fable, Claude Opus 4.8, all the GPT latest model, Gemini, GLM, every model which will be currently ranked is in the market. Then let's get started. Select any browser that you are comfortable to use and search for Haiku Work, where Haiku Work provide all-in-one AI platform for you. Let's open this website. Haiku Work, meet your 24/7 agentic business team. First, let's create the account here before using it, where you can create your account to the Google or Alibaba account. I'm going to continue with Google. After login successful, click on Quick Start. From here, you can use all the model that will be provided by Haiku Work. In the auto section, you can find all the model. You can set auto smart matching idea for everyone tax. Automatically select those model which will be required for the tax. And you can see Luna, Terra, Soul, GPT 5.5, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, Gemini 3.5, Flash Pro, Minimax M3 and Claude Fable. Where Claude Fable Opus model takes more credit and very high cost. Sonnet is medium level. You can choose any model among them is for your preferences. First, I will show you by selecting Claude Fable 5. Okay, confirm switch. You can see Claude Fable will be here, and in my profile section you can see you can get 520 credit during creating account, and I have already used my 36 credit here. And best part about it is you can get 20 credit per day. See, I have already claimed my today's credit. Each day, if you open this website once a day, then you can get 20 credit per day free. Okay, I'm going to test Claude Fable 5 first. Are you available? Are you available here? Okay, as I'm here, now I will give one simple task. Does it work perfectly or not? Can you build a one snake game? Okay, let's see how much time it will take to complete this task, how much token it will take, and at the end we will also see its performance. You can see it will create the snake game which is working perfectly. Game over, and game is also working. Score will be reflected at the top. Best score will also reflected. You can download its source code as well. Okay, from here you can copy it as well, and from here you can easily download its source code as well. Okay, it will take nearly 70 to 80 credit to complete it. Where I have select Fable 5, that's why it will take too much credit. If you want simple task, you can easily choose Claude Sonnet Haiku model. If you have doing the complex tasks, then only choose Claude Fable 5. You can easily test the model capability here. Not for your project, for sure you can test it the capability of each model from here, when you can also get 20 credit per day if you open this website once a day. Here the plugin section, channel section, agent section will be also appear. Using this website you can test the capability of all model before purchasing a subscription. I think for this purpose this website is best, where it will provide decent amount of token to test each model capability. It might be the Anthropic model, OpenAI model, Gemini model, or GLM and Minimax. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.